Hello. This would be a short video. Strange things are happening. This drive, I was doing the big, the torture, and it went squirrely. It started to flash 5 times. I was going to try and get that on video, and then it stopped flashing 5 times. And now it's showing up on the screen like it's doing things, whereas the screen went blank. And that is weird. So supposedly, according to this, it just finished all these attempts. But it certainly has not, and it's gone dark. I am going to try and reach behind, turn it off, turn it on. And we see nothing. No sign of anything. I have asked for a catalog. Nothing is happening. Oh, this is going so well. This is peculiar. Oops, sorry, that's my finger. I was just about to turn this off for a few more seconds. I was just about to leave this to run when I heard the head banging, and things were happening. See, if I just stayed recording a little longer, I would have had it all. Anyway, let's turn it on again. And now the lights are on, which would indicate 6502, but we changed the 6502. Is this somehow cooking 6502 chips? Oh, okay, let's do the Star Wars pass over the inside. This board is mighty dusty. I should maybe do something about that. There's the 6502. There's the other 2 chips. There's the RAM I changed. Oh, I am perplexed. Just a moment here. I'm going to check and see if any of the main chips feel... Whoa, that chip. That chip feels hot. Maybe that one too. Whew! You know, if it burns your finger, that's not a good sign. But are we having power troubles? I don't know. This is weird. The lights are on, but nobody's home. Alright, I'm going to turn this off. Turn it back on. Same thing. Alright. There comes a time when it's time to walk away. And that is that time. Or this is that time. So stay tuned. More mysteries to be solved. Ah, it was so close. It was so good. But that's why we torture things. Because if something's going to fail, we want to figure out what it is. But do we really want things to fail? No. Dear. So close. And yet so far. Anyway, we'll let this cool off. And we'll try again tomorrow.